other subject study, or they can do the lots of things, other activities,
But in non-schooling,
curricular
students
activities.
are not, if they are taking breaks, so at the time they are not self-studying. They are only like using their phones or like distracting by other.
So that is good while doing this type of thing between the classes, between the study. That is good that in break they are doing.
So,
They are not distracted by that type of thing while studying.
I don't think that break is a importance for every student. I think that satisfaction is a importance, because they think that every student, they know and they think that means lot of knowledge collect, and everything is so
Okay, I got it.
that
In
doesn't
this,
matter
I
if
want to
break
change
is
the
or doesn't
point.
matter.
In the schools, the teachers or the school is taking the lots of exam by which the students are only distracted in that type of exams. They are not doing study. They are not doing study for their exams, their final exams. They are only doing studies for that exams, which whatever is coming now or of this exam.
So
That's why here I want to mention the point that also that's why they.
So
they are not
nowadays
able
many
to-
inside questions are also coming. So at the time they don't know that these questions will be coming.
Inside questions are coming. So if the teachers will give that inside question to the students, then the student can easily recognize and they can easily learn that type of questions and they can easily write that things in their final exams. But if the school will take the exam, then in 1 week one subject exam is taken by the school. So one chapter they are taking and they started taking the other subjects every week. So in that case, students started forwarding that whatever they
So,
given
this
the last
This is good for a
exam.
student. This is good for a student. If you are prepared to any competitive exam, that time teachers are also saying you again
But
again
first of all, you have to complete the
because you are
chapter.
prepared for
In the schools,
exam.
the student didn't even completed the chapter. Between the chapter also, the teachers started taking the test. They started taking the surprise test,
So-
and they started the lots of exams they are taking.
This
Monday
is
test,
prepare for your
weekly
mind
test,
to
periodic test,
face
half
the
yearly
other
test, then again
challenge.
periodic test, and
So they
then
are
the lots of
important
exams.
also.
In that, the
That's
students
why
are
that
distracted
exams
totally. They are not getting the time to study. But in non-schooling, the student get the lots of time to study, and they started competitive. They started doing the competitive
but
question.
all the teacher, they all the teacher, they know that how to manage and how to study all the student, because they think that all the student how to qualify it. So they think that after that they decide that I
By
provide
only
that,
giving the
this
exams,
type of,
Rajil.
okay.
But when the teacher will only say that I will do this exam, I will take that exam and this. So then I think student will not able to prepare any other goal, like if anyone want to do any other thing like big thing after 10th or after 12th, then they can't concentrate on that goals. Only they will busy in their very small exams of their school. So that's
So
not
many
good.
times, so there are many students are available. Those are going to schools and maintaining their maintaining their preparation for competitive exams. So those students are very like they have the time management very best.
Okay, that's why I'm saying that when you will stay at home and when you will do non-schooling, then there is you have lots of time. You can manage your own time and table, and thereafter you can spend your time with your family member. So that's
You
very
know,
good point.
many students when they have lots of time, so that they don't like value the time. But when they
Mostly the schooling students are not valuing their time. In non-schooling, students started preparing the timetable, but in schooling they don't have any time because they don't have any time after coming from the school what they will do and in which time they will have to study.
No,
But
I
non-schooling students have all the things in. They started writing.
No,
They
I
started
don't-
preparing
I
all
don't
the
accept your-
timetables in one
yeah.
paper.
Because in schooling student they have they have fixed their whole day,
Schooling-
and non-schooling they have no
They
tension
follow
to
all
go
the
to outside school and
Schooling
teachers
students totally
pressure.
busy in the day.
You have accepted that the non-schooling student they don't have any tension. So that's why when they don't have any tension, then they will able to study more as compared to the
No.
schooling person. And you have said that they don't manage their own time and table, and this is very totally wrong. The non-schooling person they always keep in mind that I will do this and that in that time on
But
this time.
without school, how can you think that means a lot of things, and how can you making routine every
Okay.
day?
here, ma'am,
But,
when we see in the practical, I have seen that the lots of the student also they are making their own timetable, and they keep that timetable in their any wall, and they then see and they follow that timetable every day
But
also.
for example, in Sunday, you might have seen in the market and mall and every place, all the students here and there, they think that today is a Sunday, and I think that I should go there.
Mostly the schooling
because
students are going
they
for
are not
roaming.
in schooling. So that's why they think like that.
Okay, as you are
But,
telling, mostly the non-schooling students are going out of their homes in that holidays. But non-schooling students don't have any holiday in a day because they have they don't have any time to waste. Like you see that in
And
the
then-
schooling students, they started wasting the holidays. If they got the holiday, then they started roaming out of their house. So this type of thing is not done by the non-schooling student. Non-schooling students only see their study, whatever they prepared. They think that in that wastage of time, I can easily complete one chapter of the subject.
So in the holidays, many students don't like in the Sundays. All the Sundays they don't like the schooling students don't have the holidays on Sundays. They always like do their pending work or prepare for their.
I don't
holidays.
think that they are doing the pending works. In schooling students, mostly the students are going out for play. They're going out for to roam here and there, to go the other places, the tourist
But
places.
I-
They have no time to roaming here and there because they have lots of. I can also say they have lots of homework they do, and homework is, and also saying homework or pressure is very important for students.
I don't think
They
that is
prepare
true.
to their future pressure to handle. And if a schooling student, that time schooling are also prepare for leadership. If you have lots of knowledge but you haven't any leadership qualities, that time we are failed to our future life.
Okay, I'm not agree with you because when you will see the non-schooling student, they have more capacity to that type of leadership because when they roam in the everywhere, and only the schooling person, they only go to school, and then after they come to home, and only they are not doing any extra thing. But the schooling but the non-schooling person student, they always go here or there for their
But,
for their
Okay,
work.
first of all, you say non-schooling person whole day they spend their books and they prepare for any examination. And non-schooling students are going to the school, and that time school teachers they are doing another activity like gaming and many types of extra activity. That time they are prepared for leadership quality, not
You are
if
totally
you are
wrong.
home.
I am not agree with you. In non-schooling, the students are not going through their syllabus. They think that any one chapter is eliminated from the syllabus. Then also they started studying that chapter. But in schooling, the students don't have these type of things. In schooling, the students are only going through their syllabus. If any chapter is eliminated, then they think that this chapter is eliminated. What is the benefit of studying this
But I
chapter?
sometimes
But
think
they
that
don't know that what is the benefit
without
after in
sometimes-
their future of that chapter.
But I don't think that without school, all the students they can success in the life and for everything. Like all the things, all the activities, they situated everywhere in school. Dancing, dance, music, and everything. Because
They are totally
you are
distracted by that type of extra activities like playing games or the dance, these type of activities. You see that in schools mostly, if in one day of the week, the students have the game period of that in the schools. So if they are going on that day, then they started playing that I have the games in that class. So they started playing that from the first period of the class of the school.
But all the
So that is a very big distraction of the students.
every person know that school is a importance for every student. Previous time and all the king they are very rich. After that their children they are sending like a ashram. Because school is importance and discipline because they don't follow the every discipline leave their home. So school is importance for every student, I think.
And in my point of view, success is not mean you are as a doctor, teacher, IS, this types of thing. Success is you are also good in games, good in dance, singing, these types of things. Nowadays we are good in
So by
playing.
school you can easily go after in the national position.
Yeah, if you are saying
also
in
have to take
school.
you also have to take the permission from the academy. If the student is going through the academy, then they can easily permitted, they can easily get success in that type of extra activities. If the students know that I have these hobbies in my under me, so in that case they can easily success in their life through their extra activities or that activities which is of their
So many
which are of their
schooling
hobbies.
students are available. Those are like very good in dancing, singing, and also drawing, but also good at their studies. So they are maintaining these hobbies with their
But also
studies.
there are lots of.
But
the
they
non-schooling
have to
also
choose one
available.
thing for their career. Whatever they want to be, they want to choose study or the extra activity. Because both the things is not maintained by one student. They have the lot of pressure while
if you
maintaining
want
both the
a
things.
good career and your future is bright, so you also importance for your school, because if you don't go
I think
don't
okay,
school, so
okay. Here I'm not agree with you, because for life only not the school is important. The study is important, and we can study at sitting at home also, and we can cover more syllabus, more books as compared to the school where is the teaching. We can yes. So that's why the non-schooling is very good.
So their teachers are available in the school. Those are like teachers, and at the time we are like focusing in the class. So if we hear the class, so that time we can understand what the teacher is saying. Even after the many students, if they have doubts, so at the time they can ask the teacher. All the time they can't even solve the doubts by themselves in their home.
Okay, but when we talk about the solving any doubts or like that, we have some tutor also. We can go towards tutor, and we won't have to pay more money in the schools. We won't have to pay in any clothes or bags or any other things.
Tutors are not for 24 hours. If we are studying for 6 hours to 7 hours, so at the time if we are going to tuition for 1 or 2 hours, at the time we can ask in that to 1 or 2 hours, not
In
for
that,
24
okay, as you
hours.
are telling that the doubts which is given by the school, they are giving that they are clearing that doubt for 6 hours, and in tuition the tutors are clearing that doubt for only 2 hours. That is totally wrong, because in schools the students are getting only 1 hour for one subject and another hour for another subject. So in that case, students are not getting time to ask the doubt in that period of time. And the other teachers are not permitting to the students that if you have any doubt, then why you didn't ask in that period, in that class, in that subject of class. But in tuitions, this type of things is not happening.
So
The teachers
this
are only
type- this
thinking
type-
that
this
I have
type
to
of
clear the
things,
doubts.
Many students this type of think like that. But I think that nowadays all the students, they think that each and every time they feel like a freedom, and they can use each and every time TV, mobile, because they are crazy behind this type of
Mostly the schooling students are doing this type of activities. Mobiles and other electronic gadgets are not permitted in the schools. Then after also the students are taking the mobiles or the electronic gadgets in the schools. So in that case, the schooling student, mostly the schooling
So many
students are
schools are
affected by that
available
type of electronic gadgets.
So many schools are available. There are happening the checking of the students.
Students have the lots of mind. They can easily hide their phones or the electronic gadgets anywhere.